Father's Help, written by R.K. Narayan. Father's Help is a short story written by R.K. Narayan. This story is neither too short nor too long. There are three main characters in this story. They are Swaminathan, a student of Albert Mission School, and Swaminathan's father, Samuel, school teacher. The story starts with Swami lying in bed on one Monday morning. Like some children, Swami also doesn't like to go to school. So, Swami convinces his mother to let him stay at home by pretending to have a headache. He tells his mother that he has no important lessons on that day. But when father finds Swami still lying on the bench in his mother's room, he gets angry with him. Swami says he is suffering from headache. Though he is perfect, he uses this pretext to avoid going to school. However, father doesn't let him stay. Father insists him on going to school as he doesn't want his son missing his classes. Swami says Samuel, his teacher, would beat him if he goes late to school. Father suggests him to tell his teacher of his headache, about his headache. Swami says that his teacher is very violent. That he tells his father about an incident that happened to his friend. Swami says that his teacher once had skinned the knuckle of a boy. Hearing this, Swami's father gets mad at the teacher. Father writes a letter to the principal complaining against Samuel. He asks him to give that letter to the principal. Actually, his teacher Samuel wasn't really that bad. Swami doesn't want to go to school, so he starts using false excuses and telling lies about his teacher. Swami said so in the hope that his father would be convinced that going to Samuel's class late would be a bad idea and he would allow him to stay home. On the way, while going to school, Swami feels guilty for making a false statement about Samuel. Swami feels that it would be very unfair to Samuel if the letter reached the headmaster. He feels guilty for having spoken ill of Samuel. He decides to do something to provoke him and get punished by him, because he cannot hand the letter to the principal without being beaten. When the boy reaches school, the teacher neither abuses him nor canes him for coming late. Swami expects punishment from his teacher, but instead of beating him, Samuel speaks very nicely. Teacher appreciates Swami's father for sending him to school in order not to miss any of his classes, though he is suffering from headache. Swami expects punishment while checking homeworks, but Samuel seems more lenient than ever. The boy, however, shows rudeness with the teacher in the class because he must have a reason to give that letter to the principal. When Samuel eventually whacks 3 wholesome cuts on Swami's palms at the end of the class with his cane, Swami feels relieved because after that he could hand the letter to the headmaster. Now it would not be a complete lie to say that Samuel was violent. After the class finished, he rushes to the headmaster's room. Seeing the room locked, he asks the peon and comes to know that he is on leave for a week. He comes to know that Samuel is the assistant headmaster. He runs away from there without giving the letter. When the boy reaches home, father asks him if he has given the letter to the principal. Swami says that his principal is on leave for a week. Father doesn't believe his words. Calling him a coward, snatches the letter from his hands. He tears it off and throws into the waste paper basket and says that he deserves the punishment of Samuel. About the author, R.K. Narayan. He was born in 1906 and died in 2001. He was one of the earliest and one of the best Indian writers in English. He created the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi and set most of his popular works in it. This story is taken from his short story collection Malgudi Days, which was written in 1942. Swami, however, was an earlier literary creation of his and the subject of his first novel, Swami and Friends, and that was written in 1935. 80 new words and their meanings from this lesson.